Ayan mga friends ni Kent dito. Oh, ini-entertain nila kami. Ayan si Kent, si
Gusto
Pogi.
nyo, sasayaw pa kami.
oh, mag-sexy dance ka, Kent. Yan, mga Pilipina lahat. They are OFW.
They are TikTokers.
Yeah, they are the OFW here in Ireland, Northern Ireland. Yan. Ayan.
Hi, vlog.
O, di ba magaganda? O, ayan. Walang pangit sa Pilipina.
Pilipina.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Ayan.
No, yeah, I'm alright, yeah, okay. I'm okay. Not much, no, not much, never know. I've just had some water and coke, and I had a bit of baby water.
Nood kayo ng TV. Ano yan? May YouTube yan.
Alis na rin po kayo bukas.
Oo, alas 12. Alis kami. Kasi, ano, hanggang 12 lang yung ano namin dito.
Sa ulo. Sa kama.
Dito, sa kama na lang lang. Nag-ihaw-ihaw kami. Sila. Sarap ng dinner namin. Yan.
Namin sa labas ang tibig, napakalamig.
Oo, no? Ano nang feeling mo sa ano mo pa mo?
Yuwi-yuwi naman dito.
Oh. Oh, maganda yan, sabi ko sa'yo.
So I used to have my own place, so I sold it and moved into my mum's house. So last 5 years since when was it now? 2019. I was looking after it for 5 years. So, yeah. Basically, I was staying at her house all the time. Yeah. So I had my own house, but during COVID, I sold it in 21. I think it was. I sold my own house, then I moved in permanently with her.
So if she's going, who's with you in your home?
So
Who's with you with your home? If she's going home?
who's with me?
Yeah, who's with you? Are you alone?
No, I've always been alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I've never been with anybody. No. No. So
You're not getting bored every day?
well, I'd be work. Like I say, retired in 2019, and I was always work. I had shifts. I was really busy, you know, with my work. Didn't have any time for anything else. So I didn't get bored, right?
Mechanical engineer, right?
Like more like Turner, Miller, you know, like machining, mechanical engineering, but it was making things on the lathe, you know, like machining. Machinist, yeah.
Yeah, this is a machinist.
Oh right, is he a machinist?
That one guy.
Right, all right.
Husband.
Yeah.
Husband. Isa machinist. Diba yung ministry yun ang nga
Oo nga, eh, gwapo eh.
Guwapo, okay.
Gwapo. Dinestrilyo.
So while you're staying in the Philippines, it's good.
Well, yeah, the 3 months. Yeah, 3 months last time.
You like it?
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, loved it. Yeah,
How about the people?
yeah,
Friendly?
very nice, very friendly. Yeah,
That's great.
got on with all his family. Okay.
Oh yeah. Filipinos sa